Hey y'all, it's Carmen, and I'm back with another quick update. This one is for Jenny Marie with Artistic Pours and More. And she had resent me her memory decks, and so I wanted to share this with y'all real quick. She did have these all tied together. Now I untied them, Jeannie, just so you know, so that I didn't accidentally share some information that maybe I, shouldn't. But she's got this beautiful, beautiful charm right here. Can y'all see how gorgeous that is? And again, it looks like my lighting is off. If I get too close, it changes to yellow. I'll try not to do that. I apologize. But she's got all this beautiful paper. Look at the dimension on that. It is definitely like an accordion pleated. And that is just gorgeous. And then she's got a doily that's double layered there, and it comes around. It's got the flower and the bling across. She's got bling down here with more doily, and she's got a beautiful dragonfly, and she's done it all my favorite blue colors, and she's got this pocket, which I thought was fun. And let me go ahead before I share that. Then she's got this backside with this beautiful butterfly, more of the silver doilies and bling, and she's got it all on this blue sparkle paper. More bling down here, another beautiful flower. I'm just like beside myself. But inside this pocket, she has actually left the pocket blank. And she has put a little doily. Now, y'all see all these stars that was in the package. And y'all know I get giddy over this stuff. It's just too fun. I love it. I know it, and it looks like, oh gosh, if it gets on the floor, it can be difficult to clean up. But I try to keep it maintained, and I just put it right in a little bag. So, yes, I got to dump it. Look. Just sprinkle it around. Just make it all fun and festive. You know I got to do it. Thank you for that. It's so fun. Okay. So, like I said, she's got this here, and I'm so in love with that charm. Oh, it's beautiful. And I'm going to put it all back together. Don't worry. She's got me a little extra info right there. But look, she's even done the pleat in the back of this, and then she's put a bow over it and gave it some real dimension. It's just beautiful, beautiful blue. I have not, other than what y'all have seen, I have not seen this blue. And then she's got doilies, and she's got bling, top and bottom. And then the back, she's got the silver and more bling. And then she's made it a card. I've got her information here, and her date of birth is 2/15, which is February the 15th. And, same month as my youngest baby again, and one of my grandsons. Her favorite color is pinks and purples for crafting, but for decor, she likes fall colors. She loves traditional and old-fashioned, and her favorite stores, and she loves Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. And then, I'm not going to give out her Facebook information, not her personal Facebook information. And then here's a little bit more about Miss Jeannie. Her, Instagram, her Pinterest, and YouTube is Artistic Pours and More. She's got up here, YouTube is youtube.com/channel/UCRSFS. And then, like I said, Instagram, Pinterest is Artistic Pours and More. Her favorite $5 item is large jars of glitter. Oh, can't blame you there. Ink pads, embossing powders. favorite paper or cardstock is any. She loves to mix it up. And then her wish list is stamping blocks, embossing heat tool, and infuser for shaker card. And then her Facebook group is Artistic Pours and More, with and spelled out. And then she has her personal, and I'm not going to give that out. Thank you for this extra information. That always helps. I love it when people do that. And thank you again for sending this out. I apologize that that this happened. And I can't not share it. You created some beautiful work, and it's bling and blue. How can you go wrong there? Thank you so much, sweetheart. And I wish everybody a great night, and best wishes always.